Here's some Victory Gardens trivia. Subscribe. What type of gardens were popular during World War I and II? Is it A, Victory Gardens, B, Herb Gardens, C, Flower Gardens, or D, Zen Gardens? The correct answer is A, Victory Gardens. In which country did the concept of Victory Gardens originate? Is it A, Canada, B, Japan, C, Germany, or D, United States? The correct answer is D, United States. What year was the term Victory Garden first used? Is it A, 1930, B, 1942, C, 1920, or D, 1917? The correct answer is D, 1917. Who was a notable advocate for Victory Gardens? Is it A, George Washington, B, Jane Goodall, C, Franklin D. Roosevelt, or D, Eleanor Roosevelt? The correct answer is D, Eleanor Roosevelt. What president urged Americans to grow food in private gardens? Is it A, Herbert Hoover, B, Abraham Lincoln, C, John F. Kennedy, or D, Franklin D. Roosevelt? The correct answer is D, Franklin D. Roosevelt. Which war saw a significant increase in Victory Gardens? Is it A, World War II, B, Vietnam War, C, Korean War, or D, Gulf War? The correct answer is A, World War II. What was the government's advice about planting locations? Is it A, sunny spots, B, rocky soil, C, shady areas, or D, cold climates? The correct answer is A, sunny spots. Which gardening term refers to a small plot for vegetables? Is it A, herb garden, B, kitchen garden, C, flower bed, or D, greenhouse? The correct answer is B, kitchen garden. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.